What if I told you that the food on your plate could not only transform your body, but also supercharge your financial well-being? For the next 7 days, I'm challenging myself to eat only the healthiest, wealth-boosting foods. And we're going to see if it actually makes a difference. Stay tuned because this could change the way you think about food forever. We all know we should be eating better and managing our money smarter. But let's be honest, it's easy to fall into bad habits. Maybe you feel overwhelmed by all the advice out there. Or maybe you're stuck in a cycle of stress and financial worries. Sound familiar? Well, I'm here to show you that small, intentional choices can create big results. This week, I'm focusing on foods that don't just nourish my body, but also boost brain power, reduce stress, and set the stage for financial success. Let's dive into the powerhouse foods that are going to help me on this journey. First up, wild-caught salmon. Packed with omega-3s, this brain-boosting food has been linked to reduced stress and sharper cognitive function. And let's be real, when your mind is clear, making smart financial decisions becomes a whole lot easier. Next on the list, blueberries. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that improve memory and mental clarity. Perfect for staying sharp when managing your investments and making strategic career moves. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are absolute game changers. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and help maintain steady energy. Ideal for long work days and financial planning sessions. Let's talk about avocados. They're full of healthy fats that support heart health and keep energy levels steady. Plus, when you feel good, you're more likely to make smart money moves instead of stress spending. And last but definitely not least, turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation, improving mental clarity, and even boosting mood. A focused, stress-free mind is key to tackling financial goals with confidence. So I'm halfway through this challenge, and let me tell you, I feel amazing. My energy is up, my focus is sharper, and I'm feeling more in control of my financial decisions. Who knew that simple food swaps could have such a huge impact? All right, the week is over, and I have to say, I'm shocked by the results. I feel more energized. My productivity has skyrocketed, and my spending habits have improved because I'm making more mindful choices. This challenge has taught me that what we eat directly influences how we think, feel, and even how we handle our money. So, what do you think? Are you ready to try incorporating these wealth-boosting foods into your diet? Let me know in the comments what foods help you feel your best and stay financially sharp. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more health and finance tips. Let's keep growing and thriving together.